Cockatoos. Hey, how's it going, all you Aussie blokes and chicks? I know there's one thing you guys like more than anything, and that's avocado on toast. And you know what? Today's planting episode is just about patience. Your avocado tree, you have that beautiful, beautiful fruit, right? And it tastes so marvelous, but it takes upwards of 10 years to take that from a seed like this, like that beautiful avocado that you have, into something you can digest and nourish your soul. What I want to encourage everyone to do is like that old Greek saying, proverb, wise men plant trees whose shade they shall never sit on. And that's because I want us all to start planting things, even though we might not enjoy them, someone else will. And that's that gift to your neighbor. That's taking care of your friends. That's taking care of the people who come after you. So I want to encourage us to take that avocado on toast that we have every morning, keep the seed, and plant it. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's so easy. It's the typical, it's planting, baby. All right? So this is the top of the avocado seed where it's pointy. That's where that root's going to say, hey, man, let me out. Right there. All you got to do is just dig it out, find a good amount of space so it's nice and deep. I'd say about 4 inches for a bigger, remember, the bigger the seed, the more depth you want, okay? Let it be like that, then water. Rinse and repeat.